Okay, I'm recording, guys. Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome back to another video. I do not know what's happening to my screen, but what is happening? Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go F4, F3, and then. Okay, let's go back to Roblox. Okay, I can walk now. Good. So today is a bit of a different video. My thing is supposed to be like a Roblox Adopt Me thing, but my friend persuaded me to play Tower of Hell. Yes. This is my second time playing this, and I'm not good.
Yeah, we just did another video.
Yeah, really quick video.
Yes, this is my old account. If you didn't watch that video.
Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah. Like, yeah, Lucy. Her YouTube is Lulu loves food. Loves is in caps.
Yeah. I haven't posted anything yet.
Wait, how did they jump on that? That's so weird. She hasn't posted anything yet.
Yeah, but I'm gonna post stuff about
Gacha life.
aliens.
Yeah. Those American speakers, Gacha life. English speaker, Gacha life. Oh, come on.
Please do watch the
yeah, sorry guys if you don't like my accent.
Yeah, what's the video we posted?
I'm like Dan TV. I'm a British YouTuber.
Yeah.
Don't speed. Right, okay. I wanted a level 0 because I'm dumb at this game. Come on, I hate that like platform. Come on. Nah. I know how to do it on an iPad, but I want to try on my computer. That's because when I'm gonna be filming. Yeah, later. Why can I not jump? I'm so. Come on, I just missed it. Can I jump on here, please? I really want to play Bloxburg too, but I don't have Roblox, so. Oh, this person, I'm gonna decline because.
Don't ask why I look so bad. Because this is my alternate.
Yeah, her alternate account. Her real account, her main account is Dancing Unicorn. She's really good at that. She's on level 21. 22, okay. I'm on level 0. 0, okay? Guys, 0.
I used to play a lot. Now I don't play as much.
Yeah, I'm on the platform. That's my mom. Sorry, guys, that's my mom.
I'm at the top.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you are at the top.
Next round.
Oh my god.
Times 8.
You're at the top. Okay, I'm frustrated, okay? I'm frustrated. Can you try and get to the top on that?
Yeah, you try.
I'm gonna try and get on here.
Okay, so we switched right now. Oh.
How?
Saying it's just a game is a weak mindset. All right, nice girl. So
How does this?
I don't normally play on computer.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
See myself.
Oh, pardon me. No, it's not moving. Okay, no, it is moving now. Oh my gosh, no! I can't even do this on iPad. How am I supposed to do this on here?
Oh yeah, I get it. Can you try and get to the top?
I can't spin it.
On computer, it's quite hard. Oof. Yeah, we'll talk.
I can't spin it anymore. Oh my gosh. I don't know.
Oh, I hate that. Some people want to go on a private server or something. Guys, after this video, I'm going on, I want my friend to, give me some points. Wait, she already has 108 points.
I just got that 100 laughing.
Can you help after the video? Can you help me get to the top? Can I buy like a trail for you?
No, not a trail. You can't buy a trail. It costs 5.
You can buy like I need to see how
I've got 2,000. I've got 2,000 in my oven.
I see myself.
Wait, can you help me move this? It's literally. Oh, okay. For some reason.
Bye.
No, I can't move it anymore again.
Oh great. I'll help you. I'll help.
Oh, there we go. Now I can move. Okay. Wait, no, I can't move though.
Go like this.
Okay, thanks. Why can't I move the screen? Okay.
But you can move yourself on the screen. How many of these people like glitch themselves when they do that? ABC, if you have a neon parrot. Why would you ask about Adopt Me in a game called Tower of Hell?
Oh my gosh, you can use this as well. Oh my gosh.
I want to get a trail. Wait, do you have a trail?
I have on my normal account. I have 3.
Oh, come on. So that means you literally have like 1,500.
Basically.
You've got up 15 times. Are you serious?
I can't do it.
I want to get up 5 times because I really want to trail.
I've gone up many times. That's how I'm on like level 20.
Can you help me get up like 5 times at least?
Yeah, sure. You mean like on iPad or something?
Yeah, on iPad.
Yeah, I'm not good on computer, so I'm definitely not. I'm way worse than you. I can't move the screen. That's why
If I can get to the top, you are giving me some meal.
Look, I can't move my. Okay, sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't. Maybe I just have to push really hard.
I don't know what's up with you.
Look, it's not moving now. Okay, there we go.
Don't drag it up. Turn it.
That's what I'm doing, but it's not working.
Everyone is literally.
Come on, please move.
I've nearly got to the top before,
Okay,
but like
fine.
the time ran out.
I have to use the arrows then.
Yeah, use the arrows.
Oh my gosh, sorry if the screen is just really bad.
Yeah, my friend's not used to it.
Why do people add time? It's like the worst thing ever. Why do people add time? It's like the worst thing ever. Like,
It's really hard to get up fast.
sorry guys. I get all scared. I get all scared when I go to that level.
I'm basically helping my friend.
Tweezles! Yes, Tweezles!
Tweezles! Tweezles!
I'm so bad at this. Please, camera, move. Move, camera. No, look, what? Like, my camera's not moving. I'm like clicking, but it's not working. I mean, I don't really care now. I've sort of gotten used to this, anyways. No, I haven't.
Guys, if you, like I said in my other video, if you have a king monkey and Adopt Me, please comment down below that you have one. I really want one. I really want one.
What happened?
I'll go back. Guys, just don't worry.
Okay. What just happened?
Oh my God, Lucy! There.
Why can't I move my camera? Like, it's so weird.
Yes, you can. Just move your finger around like this.
Oh, so it's not. I thought you had to click it.
No, you don't. If you're gonna do it like that, you have to do this.
Yeah, no, that's what I was doing.
Yeah, then you don't go like that.
Yeah, I know you did. I was trying to move it so bad.
It's only 56 there.
Okay, I'm so bad at this.
Okay. Let me see if you have a good first.
Oh my gosh, I did it! I sort of did it! Not really.
I do not care. I do not care about that right now. Go to.
If you go computer, I'm really proud of you. I am proud that you can actually do it. Wait, how do you go on F5?
There is no F5. That's on a PC. I think. Why do girls love to wear this red beanie?
Wait, what do you mean red beanie? Oh, it's because it's in the starter thing, and because it doesn't cost Robux. And actually, the only thing that actually looks fashionable. Because you don't even want to.
You have to jump to this side.
Because you don't even want to know what the other hairs look like. You just don't.
Oh, this is hard.
Yes, oh my gosh. I'm doing Okay, I'm just.
Why am I saying no on your account? Dude, what? Someone's already up.
Really? I'm so bad at this. I keep on doing the wrong thing.
Yeah, right.
When are we gonna start this video? Oh, my first person now.
Why? Oh my god. They're making it so hard. I can't even see my character.
No! I was like, what? Is this like a glitch or something?
I can't even see my character. No!
Yes, I somehow did it. So I'm
Oh,
really
look
bad.
at under the timer. Oh, I can't even. Who would do this?
Oh my god! For some reason, it's way easier for me to do it on this.
Guys, who is threatening?
Okay, we are gonna switch back.
No, we're not.
Don't like it. I don't like it on a computer.
I hate this. Well, I'm probably gonna stop the video.
No, don't.
Why? No, this is called betrayal.
Betrayal.
Betrayal, guys. Betrayal.
It's funny. Oh my gosh, can we actually switch? Okay. Oh my gosh, good idea. We should go in first person.
Oh yeah, that's.
Wait, how do you go in first
You
person?
you press O. Oh no, that's I. That's I. Now you don't have to do the thing. You just move your mouse around.
Okay.
What? Torture is torture. Torture is torture.
Should we close our door? It's a bit noisy.
Yeah. I'll do that one. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, it's so much more easier. Oh my gosh, have you watched Pink Leaf? He's so good.
Oh yeah, Pink Leaf. He's really good.
You should subscribe to him. Subscribe. Okay, these are the people everyone should subscribe to. Mr. Beast, Pink Leaf.
Those are your opinions, dude.
Yeah. But like, they do good things. Wendy, Kitty Corn Wendy.
Well, she doesn't do good things. Kitty Corn Wendy is not good, but she's like nice. Yo, no! I went up to like the top bit and then I just overwrapped. And then
How am I supposed to? Oh yes. No.
Guys, also subscribe to her channel, my friend's channel, Reaper's channel. My channel is this channel. Please subscribe and please tell me if you have a Monkey King. Please, I have to say this in every video because it is literally my dream pet. Guys, please tell me.
It is dream pet. So.
Guys, please tell me if you have a Monkey King. I have an offer. I am offering 3 monkey ninja monkeys and a frog or a neon rabbit. Guys, please tell me if you have one. It's my dream pet. And yeah, let's carry on with the obby.
My dream pet is a mega neon flyable rideable unicorn. No joking, it's a mega neon flyable rideable first round, but that's totally impossible. Well,
that's possible. I've seen someone have a mega neon flyable rideable.
Oh. Well, probably because he like took fat stuff. Or if he just like enters loads of YouTube giveaways.
I was on like that part.
Start of the screen is very weird.
Yeah, because she's not used to it. I am trying to get up. I cannot even speak. Which is
how is that bad? Oh, so close. You just hold the jump button. So dumb.
yes, I'm on Saturn. I'm on the Saturn top now.
Saturn?
No, I fell all the way back down. That's not fair.
It's actually really, this level's really easy on iPad.
I know.
I was so close to making it.
I can do it on that on my computer.
Then switch!
Okay, I get it. I get it. It's so easy on my
I'm gonna get out first person mode.
Look guys, I'm doing it. No, I overran again. It's only 51 seconds. I think I don't see anyone in the game, like on the chart thing. This is torture, guys. If you're the one who's doing this and you're watching my video, you're torture. Why you torture me? I'm not a fan of being tortured. I'm gonna say again, guys, if you have a Monkey King, please tell me in the comment section below. I have an offer. It's 3 ninja monkeys. What? Okay, can we please switch? How am I falling? Yay, finally, I can see myself. My beautiful self.
Anyone does that game with training?
Yeah, but then the video recording will stop. I don't even see myself. Oh god. No, you can't put them together. That's impossible. Well, for my stage. Oh my god. I hate this music because it's like this is like absolutely hard and the music sounds like it's so easy.
Yeah. I mean it's great. Thank you very much for wasting money, but you're wasting your money.
I actually do not know how to do this.
Die because of low gravity.
Guys, I think I'm gonna have to stop the video here. Bye!